attempts. You're not able to get any kind of rhythm going.
Seahawks hurry it up. Wilson for Metcalf, overthrown. Aaron Donald got pressure, forced that throw to come out, and now Donald is a bit slow to get up. But another stop by the Rams on third down.
Well, Aaron Donald saved 7 points because this opportunity that Russell Wilson had, DK Metcalf, he just ran right by Jalen Ramsey. You see Aaron Donald, he's clutching, but here's it on the outside. He just took off, and he's not, Ramsey's not going to catch up. In fact, you see the separation. That's that extra gear that DK has. And like Bobby Wagner when he got banged up,